Friends, I know how overwhelming it can be to turn an idea into a real online store. You have the products in mind, but payments and all the technical setup can quickly get in the way. Dualite handles all of that, so your shop is ready to go in minutes. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I'm showing you Dualite, a platform that makes building your own marketplace incredibly simple. You just describe what you want, and it takes care of the rest. No coding required. In this tutorial, we'll create a fully integrated online store from scratch. We'll add products, connect PayPal for payments, and automatically save all customers and order data directly into a Google Sheet. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started. Alright guys, let's create a store for handmade products. We'll add some items, link up PayPal, and make sure all the orders and customer info are saved. First, we type in a prompt. I'll start with a simple one and turn on the Enhance feature, so the system can automatically enhance it. I'll keep it on default mode and keep going. Next, folks, we hit Generate, and it gets to work. In just a few seconds, we have a fully built store. Dualite has created artisan-made with a clean, professional design. The homepage has a hero section with a call to action, plus a featured creation section with ready-made products. The system has even added several handmade items for us. Mates, we've got all kinds of items, from vases and knitted scarves to organic soaps, seagrass baskets, and hand-carved wooden spoons. Each item comes with an image, title, and description. On the right, Dualite shows everything it's generated, from the product showcase to the shopping cart and PayPal integration. It even suggests next steps. Let's go ahead and configure those so our store is fully up and running. I hit save and we're ready to move forward. Folks, once everything's set up, we can add items to the cart, check it out, and pay using PayPal or a card. Right now, a few of these features aren't fully available yet, but the setup is ready to go. Friends, let's add real PayPal payments to our website. I ask it to add a PayPal button to checkout, along with this link. The system then goes through the steps and processes everything. Update complete. It handles the task perfectly. Then I add a test item to the cart and proceed to checkout. Now we can see the Pay with PayPal button or pay directly with a card. Guys, let's set up Google Sheets now. I create a new spreadsheet and call it Payment Details, then connect it to Sheety. It is a platform that gives you an API, so you can link directly to a Google Sheet. I make it accessible to anyone with the link and copy the URL. Next, I paste the URL here and create a new project. I use the add.point.api.sheety.co in the chat with Dualite.dev. I also make sure post requests for adding, editing, and deleting rows are all enabled. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now the spreadsheet is ready and everything syncs automatically. Folks, let's set everything up in the Custom API Integration section. I create the API specification with this link and enter a prompt describing the Sheety integration for customer data from checkout. Then I send it off and wait for the result. It analyzes everything and sets up the integration, even mapping the data automatically. The next step is placing a test order. Mates, I add a couple of items and go through checkout again. We can see the order confirmed with a thank you message. Now I open the Orders tab and check it out. We can see the timestamp, customer details, what I ordered, and the total. And just like that, we set everything up in about 15 minutes. It's basically like having a full CRM system that automatically sends all your order details to an Excel file, which is super handy. Alright my friends, let's wrap this up. As you've seen, Dualite isn't just about creating a nice-looking online store. It's about building a complete system where products, payments, and customer data are fully connected. If you're a creator or small business owner looking for a simple way to launch an online store, this tool is definitely worth trying. And friends, here's a bonus for you. You can get 38% off the launch plan using the promo code DANSMARTDualite. You'll find the link in the description below. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.